Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha ICC Maths 10. So this is our fifth lesson, quadratic equations. So what is the general form of quadratic equation? That is a square plus bx plus c, where a should not be equal to 0. So this is our general form. Students, in this video I am going to say about this formula. So you are using this formula in many places, okay, to solve the quadratic equations. But do you know how this formula comes? Okay, so in this video I am going to say the very easiest way. So see till the end of the video and know about this formula. Okay, so let's go to the sum. So what is your general equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a should not be equal to 0. So this is given. A is not equal to 0. Why it is given? Say why it is given? Because if this a is 0, this equation will become linear one. So we need a, okay. So then only you have a x squared term. So then you can say it is a quadratic equation. So the highest power x of, okay, the power is 2. So if the power is 2, you can say it is a quadratic equation. If you don't have the power, okay, so it is linear equation. If the highest power is 3, so you can say it is a cubic equation, okay. Now first you have to eliminate this a, okay. So for that you have to divide by a, by a, by a and by a, okay. So why you are dividing this a? Because you have to eliminate, okay. So a k cancel, so this is x square and this is b by a x plus c by a and equal to 0. Okay, okay. See, this is x square plus b by x plus c by a equal to 0. 0 by anything, it is 0. So when this is a equation, so you have a equal sign. So whenever you divide by LHS, you have to divide the RHS also. Okay, so you have to do the in both of the sides. Okay. Now you have to shift this c by a into that side. So it will change the sign. So this is x square. See, you can, this is multiplication, so you can multiply in both of the sides, so any of the sides you can write here. So sorry, this is minus c by a, okay. So this is the c by a shifted into that side, so it will change its sign, okay. So now I'm going to, we need 2, okay. Why ma'am we need 2? Because you know the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to, so what is your formula? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay ma. See, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to change this LHS into that form. What is that form? A square, 2ab and plus b square. So you need 2. Okay, so for that I am going to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Okay. So do you understand this step? So it has no value, it is just 1. Okay, 2 cancel, if you cancel you get 1. So I am going to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Okay. See the next step. This is x square. So I need 2 x. So this 2 come this side. So you have grouped, okay. So this 2 x, this 2 into a 2a, again this b is here, okay. So this is minus c by a. Okay students, now see the term. This is x squared term, means a squared term. This is plus 2ab. So what is your b here in this formula? As in the formula, this is your b, okay. See, a square plus 2ab plus b. So what is your b? B is b by 2a term. So I need b square term, okay. Third term is b square term. So you cannot just add, so you have to add both of the sides. So this is b by 2a. See, b by 2a the whole square, okay. See, and this is c by a plus b by 2a the whole square, okay. So you have added in the two sides means LHS on the RHS. B by 2a the whole square, b by 2a the whole square. Okay, so whenever you are adding or multiplying or dividing in the LHS term, you have to do in the RHS also. So that is why you are adding b by 2 the whole square equal, uh, you have added and to the right hand side also. Okay, see now this is a square term, 2ab and plus b square term. So we changed into that formula. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now see students, clearly in the a place it is x, and plus the in your place of b it is b by 2a the whole square. So do you understand this step? Okay, see this, you have 3 terms but it is changed into 2 terms because of the formula, by the formula. Okay, so x plus b by 2a the whole square. Just to simplify here, this is c by a, this is b square by 4a square. So you have to simplify this. So for that you have to take LCM. So here 4a, one more a is here, so you have to multiply by 4a into 4a. So this is minus 4ac by 4a square, just multiplying, plus this is b square by 4a square. Okay ma, so do you understand this step? Yes. So this is x plus b by 2a the whole square. Okay, see our next step. So this is x plus b by 2a the whole square equal to this b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So eliminate this 2. I am going to take square root. So take your square root, x plus b by 2a the whole square equal to root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So take your square root. So this is b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so when you have a square root, you have to give a 2 signs, that is plus sign or equal to sign. So this is x plus b by 2a equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So you shift this b by 2a into that side. So what is the final one? X is equal to minus b by 2a plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is what our formula. Okay, so do you understand? So you are going to use this method is completing the square method. So you have to know this method because we will be asked many questions to factorize in this method. Okay, completing the square method. Okay, I hope you all understand. Like this video, please give a like symbol. Okay, thank you.